Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing tool that's taking the world of digital art by storm, NightCafe Creator AI. If you're into art, graphic design, or just love exploring new tech, stick around because this AI tool is a game changer. So, what exactly is NightCafe Creator AI? It's an innovative platform that uses advanced artificial intelligence to help you create stunning artworks in minutes. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, this tool is designed to make your creative process smoother and more enjoyable. Alright, let's dive in. To get started, simply head over to NightCafe Creator. The link is given to you in the description. Create free account, and one of the coolest things about NightCafe Creator is its ability to generate artwork from text prompts. Alright, let's create something together. I'll show you just how easy it is. I'm going to type in a futuristic cityscape at night, and let NightCafe Creator AI work its magic. As you can see, the AI is generating the artwork in real time. And there we have it, a stunning, futuristic cityscape that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Isn't that amazing? The detail and creativity that NightCafe Creator AI brings to the table are just phenomenal. And the best part? You can download your creations in high resolution and use them for personal projects, social media, or even sell them as digital art. Here's how easy it is to download your artwork. Just a few clicks and you have a high-quality image ready to go. So, whether you're looking to enhance your digital art skills, create unique content for your brand, or just have fun experimenting with AI, NightCafe Creator is definitely worth checking out. Head over to NightCafe Creator and start your creative journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech and art content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Bye.